So here at Caroma we have over 17 toilets on display. We do a lot in terms of toilets. Caroma is one of the best in the world about toilets. One of the newest ranges of toilets that you have on display here, we have lots of different versions, is all about clean flush, which is the rimless style. No rim. Also, most of our toilets have the soft close hinges. Every soft close hinge gets tested. We also have the easy height version, which has a thicker seat for people who don't want to be bending down so far. We call that easy height. And we also have the beautiful Urbane Clean Flush toilet, which has the easy release button on the back of the seat, easy to pull off and clean. Who doesn't love that? You can also change out this button here to match your tapware, as well as the hinge caps. And just to make life easier for your plumber, because everybody loves to do that, we have the uni-orbital connector that comes with the Clean Flush. Makes matching it up to the existing S-trap really, really easy. Only available with our Clean Flush toilets. So if you want to know more, come and see me here. I'll talk you through it. It's not so hard.